Kaya pala marami.
So this is Mark, and I'm here in the car, and we're on our way to Pasig City.
Red ribbon yan,
And as you can see, it's very traffic, and we're actually quite in a hurry. It's almost 5 p.m. and we have to take care of some business.
Sahod, Sabi
So we are now along Shaw Boulevard in Mandaluyong City. And with me in the car is none other than Kuya Eddie Boy.
Hello.
Again, as always, and then Ate Irma again, and then Manang.
Again.
Not really again. She rarely gets, to go out of the house. So Manang is pretty excited to be out of the house, enjoying the car ride, joyride, getting to go to some places. Then later she'll be dizzy, and then she'll be hungry, and then she'll be eating.
Manang sinong kasama mo? Ay, nakulong nga. Di ko kanina pa, nagmamadali yun.
So today is a Thursday, and it's traffic because it's payday according to Kuya Eddie Boy. So good thing.
Sigurado rin,
Ang alin?
Yung sa may daan doon.
Okay.
Kaya ma-traffic, sigurado nila.
So to my right is Cherry Foodorama. It's a supermarket. Then you see Jollibee, then Metro Bank, Wak Wak branch, and then other than that you can see some other businesses or stalls. And then I thought it's a restaurant. It's just a signage. That's the Ford Shaw Boulevard. So on the other side, you would see some high-rise condominiums, and this is the Palladium. It's a private, exclusive subdivision for the rich and famous. And this building over here is a building. I don't know the name of the building. Natawa si Ate Uma.
Mandaluyong pa ito dito.
So that's the facility center, and there are many kinds of stores. Many stores in the building. And then this is the Governor's Palace. It's a condominium as well. So there are a lot of high-rise condominiums here. And that tall building is a hotel. As far as I know, it is a hotel. And those two twin towers that you see, those are also high-rise condominiums. So it's still being constructed. Okay, as I said, it's a hotel. So it's called the Lancaster Hotel. There's the horse with their trademark. And this is a truck. Okay, so we're going to the flyover, so we're not going down there. It's pretty traffic. We're taking the flyover, and on the other side would be Ortigas Center. So there's a good view of Manila, Metro Manila from up here. So there we go.
LRT Star Mall.
And that's the Star Mall. It's one of the malls here along EDSA.
Tingnan natin yung bahay doon na binibenta. Yung ano? na.
Okay, so it's traffic again.
Ni Pasig.
Yung katabi ng...
Oo, yung ano.
Annex?
Oo, annex. Ganda nun, no? Tignan natin. Tama-tama. May ano tayo eh.
I think those buildings are in what's the name of that place? Global City, but I'm not sure. It's near Makati. And those buildings are also high-rise condominiums.
Yan eh, MRT yan. MRT ba to?
MRT. And this is the MRT station, that building, as well as this building on the other side. It's part of the MRT Shaw station. Actually, crossing station, I think.